wala na members of the family. Lapit na kayo sa ating mga Irish. Number 23 players. 45 to 8 basket. 16 basket. Number 3. Basket.
45.
Basket.
Yes. 5 to number 6.
Number 3. Basket. Number 16. Pull up. Basket. Oh, there's a foul. Basket. Pangalawa, basket net. Basket.
90. Sabuli.
Number 23. Paso na 8. Oy, nawala. Na-intercept. Na-intercept ulit. 20. Basket. Number 16.
38.
There's a foul on 23. Easy basket by number 8. Number 32, number 16. Number 46, pull up 3. 23 now. 23. To number 8. 4-3. Malakas. 7. Number 2.
Offensive foul. Who's foul ref? 44. Offensive foul. Just foul. Basket number
Second quarter.
24. The ball going to the middle. One. Counted. Never take a shot. Good. First shot. 95. 22.
So, from Babanda, yes sir. Number 44.
Foul by number
32.
33 minutes. Rebound by number 95. Asipat na 95. Pinasa kay Russell. Russell na. Pinasa kay number 32. Bumangka. Pen. Who's...
Sumala.
43. Judges the ball. Ginita. Pinasa kay 46. Russell take 3 points by Russell. Nagpapadali. Take 2. Good. Napapasa. Number 32. Pinasa kay Camille. Tumina na naman ng dos. 10. 2. Time out. Time out. Block. Pinasa kay Lad. Pinasa kay number 28. Good. 2 points by number 28. 32. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 44. Kahit, tinalik kay number 32. Number 32, nagbalabalik na. Pinasa kay Judel. Good God! Race by number 12. Pinagda, pinagda. It's rebound by number 38. Number 38, take it 2 points. Good. Rami. Pasa, Rami. Bumit na. Bumit na. Two step. Good. First shot. Good. Second shot. Good. 13. Pass to number 46. Russell. Nagkala ng bola. Pinasa kayo ng Bill. Again, pinasa kayo ng Bruce. Bruce tumira ng 3. Bill. Lima ba yung Bill? Bill tumira ng 2. Good. Third point goal. Good. Okay, pass to Lance. Lance take another 3. Bill. Rebound by Bruce. Pass to number 44.
Pasok yan, may kasamang foul.
First shot in. Second personal foul, number 32. Second shot, ready to go. Second 46, papadali. Two step. Good.
45. To Joey Casablan.
23. Good dito ulit. Two step, pass to last, take another 2. Good. 30, 46, take another 3. Please. Pass to number 8. Number 8, take another 2. Mamasay. Going to hit again. Pass to number 32. 32, take another 2 points. Good. 23. Pass to number 28. Almost lost the ball again. Pass to number 17. Number 22. Pass over. Back. Good. 1 again.
Agaw, and number 14. Pass to number 19.
Pass to number 16. Number 16. Yes! Good. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Stop. Number 8. Number 8. Good with the ball. Going to the right. Going to the left. Two step. Please. First shot, please. 2 points by
Score 57.
by number 7.
Team.
Amang na po ang white ng isa.
Wala. Ay, sayang. Sayang. Israel Reggie. Wala. Ilongay. Pasok. Gio.
Second shot, in. 54-56. Cross, two step. Woo! Pinoy step. Number 8, two step again. Good. Umikot. Two step. Bang. Good. Time out. Wide. Number 32.
Right ball. Ayaw. Nakabek ang ball.
Sa kaliwa. Bumalik sa gitna. Two step. Good, good, good. Last touch by Black. Last touch. Same ball. Baseline. Pass to number 32. Pinaligid number 16. Number 16. Tumira ng toss. Luminis Marco. Rolling. Pinaligid number 8. Number 8. Stop. Pinasa kay number 24. Number 24. Take a 3. Number 8. Number 8. Take a 2 points. Time out. Number 44. Number 44. Gumit na. Two step. Good. Fourth personal foul. Number 23. Apat na po foul ni Taspa.
Pass to DC.
Bonus shot team.
Gio.
65-62.
Gio atake si Gio.
65-62.
Gio. Wala.
Taspa.
Rebound tayo. Robert. Tumatake si Robert.
Foul. Saspa. Dadaanan. Hindi na screen. Tumaan sa kaliwa. Pumunta sa kaliwa. Spin again. Almost lost the ball. Rebound by the... Pass to number 32. Number 32. Nagmamadali. Good na. Good by number... 13 seconds. Shot clock.
Robert, second. Team ball pala.
Saspa. Saspa. punta sa kaliwa. Saspa, spin again. Saspa, pinasa ka number 23, 28, pass to number 8, number 8. Two-step, pass to number 28. Block by number 44. 2-second shot clock. 2-second shot clock. Pass to Ryan. Ryan, take a three. Please. 1 minute and 6 seconds na lang po ang naligiran sa fourth quarter. 65-63 lang ang block. Ramin.
Last call! Pagpasa ba?
Pinasa kay number 32. Number 32. Pinaligay Ramin. Ramin, pinag-discuss. Hindi na screen. Tumira ng toss. Bang! Good play by White Team.
Wala!
Good play. All 65. All 65. All 65. 40-second shot clock. 2 minutes. Kaliwa. 2 minutes left. Clock by number 32. Number 32. Nagpapadali. Magpapatol. Saspa.
Wala pang penalty! Warning!
5
Four penalty!
fouls.
Warning!
Saspa.
Four penalty tayo! Warning! Four penalty!
5 fouls na po sa Saspa. 65. 65. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinasa kay Ramin. Pinasa kay 46. Pinaligay kay Ramin. Pinasa kay 32. 32 pinaligay kay Ramin. Ramin. Pinaligay kay Junel. Junel twisted. Sara. Rebound by number 28. 28. Good, good, good. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Nagpapadali. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. Nagpapadali. By number 16. Foul by number 16. Pushing foul.
Shot clock violation! Shot clock violation! Shot clock! Shot clock! Hindi tumama! Hindi po tumama kanina! Hindi tumama! Hindi siya
65 all. 13 seconds, boys. 13 seconds.
65
Pass to number 12. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 24. Number 24, take a three. Time out. Why? 3 points by
Two shots tayo! Two shots!
Shot.
Penalty! Basta!
Ang ganda nun. 4 seconds po. 4 seconds.
Bago lang tumama sa ring, bro!
Pastor Ramin, Ramin, nangyari na dadaan na Ramin, number 44, tumira